us, a great place to work is a place where the culture of trust of employees between the leaders and employees is kind of created. For us, the level of pride in the employees and what they do, the care and the delight that they create for the clients, and the bonhomie that they share within the colleagues, I think that kind of really creates a best place to work for us. And also, I think we all talk about culture, we all talk about vision, but all the employees and everyone in the organization moving towards one clear vision to be the best logistics solutions provider in the e-commerce industry. For us, a constant communication, sharing feedback with each other, free flow of ideas and risk-taking ability to be kind of boosted for employees. That I think creates a lot of difference for the Gen Z of today. Also, we have a diverse workforce. Diversity for us is not just about gender; it's about culture, it's about caste, creed. We spread across the country, and we are covering almost 97% of the country inch by inch every day. Spread over 3,200 locations with about 45,000 employees. Fostering a culture that supports this diverse workforce to make sure that we create roles which are empowering. That to us brings a simple idea that create an environment where employees create their own rules of engagement. They generate happiness in everyday work that they do. So I mean, simple, but that's the powerful idea we believe which works for us. Something that's inspiring and stands out happened recently. In the second wave of COVID, when it came, it wasn't easy. I mean, we have people on the ground, they have to come to your doorstep every day for deliveries. How do we keep them safe was one aspect, which we still kind of conquered in the last COVID wave. But this year, for us, it was about how do we make sure that not just the employee, but also their families kind of really feel that they're being cared for. And that's where this entire initiative of Ecom Cares came up. It's an initiative where, considering the kind of workforce that we have, almost about 45,000 people as on date, and it's growing. We pledged as an organization and we said, sorry, God forbid, if anything happens to any single person while they're on duty and there are on-roll employees, we will take care of their families. We have a death benevolent fund, which is an employee contribution fund, which is there, which gives them for a ground associate, it can be as big as almost about 14 years of salary that comes to them. Then we also said that if God forbid something happens, we'll take care of the children's education, 2 children up to 12th class, irrespective of where you study. For us, whether you're in a metro, non-metro, or a rural, a child's education has to be safe. Then we also said that the family needs funds to survive. So we said 2 years of salary without any complication will get paid to the dependent of the employee. And not just this, we also said, how do we make sure that the family is strengthened forever? So he said any one family member of the deceased employee will get a job depending on their competence and their location preference. We will guarantee that job. This is Ecom Cares program that we kind of launched. It's fairly big. It's a big pledge from an organization side, and our employees were really delighted when they heard it, because they said that the organization always told that we want to build this organization for 100 years and not for 10 years or 5 years. I would say totally delighted. Came to us as an award which we always want. I remember a very clear vision that has been given to us from our CEO, Mr. Krishnan. He said, I don't want an award which is given. I want an award which comes with an employee testimony. This to us is actually getting acknowledged that we are on the right path. We still believe, Prashant, that it's a journey. We can't believe that we can't assume that this is done and dusted. It's a journey, but given the fact that employees rated us, employees gave the review, and employees believe that we are a best place to work, it's a testimony of the fact that we're in the right direction. And it's our vision is very clear. We want to be the best logistics service provider for e-commerce industry. It is impossible to achieve it unless our people really kind of feel and they're engaged and happy every day. So I mean, I thank you very much. Thanks to AmbitionBox for organizing something like this, which we could find out the real voice of employees.